We have to have video. Montra bagane o. Sapidu. Right. Yeah. Down with the murder, Robert Mugabe. Down with him. We need Mugabe out of the OAU chairmanship. We need Mugabe out of the SADC chairmanship because he is a murderer. We are afraid to go back to our country. He is abducting journalists and human rights activists.
Yes.
Everyone is not free. He is above the rulers, above the judges. So, leaders, you saw what we demonstrated inside there. I wanted to stay because you said, oh no, and we stopped the democratic process of everybody. So we came back outside. And I promised to come back again. And I'm thinking that maybe I'll come myself so that I will not get any vote of one. I'll come myself there and I'll do hunger strike like Itai Zamara. Africa Unity Square. That is what I'm thinking. This is going far and this one is going to be closed. Up to Itai's back, my brother, the father of a daughter there.
I'll be there with
the husband of a woman there.
I'll be there.
We want him back. Why should we just be quiet when someone is enough is enough? Done it. Since 2008, these things are happening every day and we thought it would stop, but it's storming again. The embassy, everyone who comes to the embassy should look for the weather forecast of the embassy. Either it will be raining or either there will be some desert storm or anything. So, this is our message here. We want anyone who wants to talk here.
Thank you. What's happening to Justina Mkoko now? Enough is enough, Mugabe must go.
Yes.
Just like a system.
Yes.
People are being abducted. We just want Mugabe to go. Mugabe must go. They're just abducting everyone. We need another parliament. Mugabe must go. We are tired of Mugabe. Enough is enough.
No one has been shot back.
We want Itai back.
We want Itai back. We want Zamara back. We want Itai.
We want Itai.
We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai back. 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 We want Itai.
You want Itai.
You murderers. You killers.
You killers.
Whatever, if you just peep around the window, it's
Pasina
Itaiwedu, tinoda Itaiwedu, kana musena kunuza,
Ticha Pitai Wakatabi. Itaiwedu, tinoda Itaiwedu, kana musena kunuza, Ticha Pitai Wakatabi. Itaiwedu, tinoda Itaiwedu,
kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi. Tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuuza tichakuita wasatamu itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kumuisa Bongo nyorora
Zimbabwe.
Yes we can.
Zimbabwe.
Yes we can.
Yes we can.
Zimbabwe.
Yes we can.
Zimbabwe.
Yes we can.
Zimbabwe.
Nika.
Bantu.
Nika.
Bantu.
Yilizwe.
Bantu.
Yilizwe.
Bantu.
Chisamba Matisa.
Chisa.
Chisamba Matisa.
Chisa.
Gachiche.
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 Bobo yaramba. Yaramba yo bobo yaramba.
For peace, justice and freedom. Roll! Peace, justice and freedom. Roll!
Peace, justice and freedom.
Zimbabwe! can. Zimbabwe. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Zimbabwe. Nika. Ilizwe. Kana tati ngachiche. Mugabe must go.
Mugabe must go.
To save Zimbabwe.
Mugabe must go.
Mugabe must go.
To save Zimbabwe. We are here to protest against the abduction of Itai Dzamara. This draconian government of Robert Mugabe has been doing these abductions with impunity since 1980. He facilitated the Gukurahundi. He facilitated the Marambachina.
What is Gukurahundi?
Gukurahundi.
Gukurahundi was the mass killing of the Ndebele people in the Matabele province of Zimbabwe.
Yes.
You can continue.
And then came the Murambachina, whereby they were destroying the people's
What
homes.
is the Murambachina?
Yes.
Murambachina was the unjust destruction of houses of Zimbabweans, houses of squatters. Everyone, any legal structure of Zimbabwe to live was destroyed. Every shelter of Zimbabwe was destroyed. You can go on later.
Yes, and it was not only the squatters, it was all mainly opposition party members whose homes were destroyed.
That's
simply
right.
because for supporting a different party.
Destroyed.
Yes, businesses were destroyed. Almost everything. As long as you belonged to an MDC or opposition, you were a victim. Now there's this abduction which is going on willy-nilly. Last week they wanted to abduct Zorwadza, a member of RO, and unfortunately they didn't manage. But again, we are saying to the international community, to all progressive listeners, that this is a government which is a member of the United Nations. The Declaration of Human Rights in 1951 does not support abduction in any sort. So this is why we are protesting. We are not only protesting for ourselves, we are protesting for the people in Zimbabwe because they are gagged. They cannot talk. They have no voice. Each time they try to voice, they are abducted, they are killed, you disappear, or you are beaten.
Thank you.
Right. Also, I want to say, as we come to try to close this facility of Mugabe, we remember South Africa before, when it was in apartheid rule. South Africa was saved by people who were outside South Africa. They used to go in South African embassies around the world and try to close that regime which was apartheid. And their voices was heard by the United Nations, by the Queen. Our voice is going to be heard by the Queen. And that is our aim. When the Queen hears this, she will know the person whom she gave the key to Rhodesia was not the right person. The Queen needs to give the keys to the right person, the right people of Zimbabwe. Mugabe is a Malawian citizen, if I can say. That's why he is too cruel for Zimbabweans. He doesn't know the culture of Zimbabweans.
Yes.
He doesn't know that when you kill somebody, we have Ngozi and you need to Kuriba. He doesn't know all those are things are just nothing to him. We are afraid to kill, to touch blood. Zimbabweans. We are docile. That's why we don't want war. We do peaceful things. We want bigger members, United Nations, United States of America, the Queen of Britain, to help us to take out Mugabe, to take all those kids from Mugabe. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yesikeni aramba kutokera Ijipita nyika yeHuranda. Yesikeni aramba kutokera Ijipita nyika yeHuranda. Nakananeni o.
Yaramba kutokera Ijipita. Yaramba kutokera
Ijipita nyika yeHuranda. Yaramba kutokera Ijipita nyika yeHuranda. Nakananeni o. Kutokera Ijipita nyika yeHuranda.
One of the things recently, 2 days ago, they wanted to abduct another man who is standing for human rights in Zimbabwe, restoration of human rights in Zimbabwe. Because he's saying vendors can do whatever they want. And they ambushed him when he was driving with the same two vehicles which abducted his side. They beat him, they wanted to take him. He was saved by motorists who were around. People who were around it. What is happening? And they saved the Zorgoasa. This is 2 days ago. Once Itai was abducted this month, and they are not even caring of what we are doing here. These members, they are lying. They are not even caring of what we are doing.
I need to say something.
Okay.
Hello, sir. As I said, I'd asked them to send this letter,
yes,
which they refused to accept any documentation at all. So, what would you like to do?
I know that. I know you are going to sell out us, officer. I know you are going to sell out us.
Oh, I said I would ask you to.
I know that. I heard that in my heart.
No reason.
Take it back, or I can put it in the police station.
We'll come back. We'll come back.
Thank you for your hard work. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your cooperation. This is fairness.
This
This wouldn't happen in Zimbabwe. This wouldn't happen in Zimbabwe. It wouldn't happen at all.
Our message hasn't been reached to this dictator. It hasn't been taken out to this dictator. We are helpless everywhere. What can we do?
No, it's because you are powerful, you know. It's because you are powerful.
We will be back. We will be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. We will be back. We will be back. We really like that we are closing these doors. We will send our spies to open the doors for us. That's what we did today. They opened for us. We will do the same thing. We will be back. We will be back like lightning. Pascal Mugabe. We will be back with our sacrifice. We will be back to give them that letter. We will be back.
Thank you, officer. Thank you very much, officer.
We're coming back to hand in this letter.
He has to accept it. Until they take the letter. He's got something to hide. That's why. Criminals.
And those three.
It's allowed, don't worry.
Yes, we can yaramba kudzokera injipita nyika yeuranda. Yes, we can yaramba kudzokera injipita nyika yeuranda.
Yaramba kudzokera injipita.
Yaramba kudzokera injipita yeuranda. Oh, yes, we can yaramba kudzokera injipita nyika yeuranda.
Yaramba kudzokera injipita.
Oh, yes, we can yaramba kudzokera injipita.
Down with those who oppress the truth. Yesterday, I read an article in the newspaper, and they are saying, they are lying, that MDC is coming to storm the embassy every day. And if these people are thinking it's MDC, it's not MDC, it's the people of Zimbabwe who are in UK who are storming the embassy. The people of Zimbabwe. We are not led or controlled by Tsvangirai. We are doing because of our hearts. Our hearts are controlling us. The desire for our brother to be back with us is the one which is sending us inside there. That pressure. It's not MDC. It's not anything. It's a group. MDC included. Zampu, Vigil, Yes We Can. Many people, diaspora feels it. All the NGOs are participating in the raid of embassy to free Itai Dzamara. It's not an organ, it's our organization of everybody. So want to correct if there is any journalist here who is sending signals which are lies. And that person also who was in the forum and lied told the embassy about our coming.
Taking the other way around.
Povoyaraba, 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 Povoyaraba,
No, I'm just waiting there. Can I? Thank you. Thank you very much.
We are not going to keep the jet because the police are here. We are going to tell this jet in our secrets. Now, when we are stopping there, when I come back, I'll come with my 4 lawyers who will tell the police that these people have got the right to be inside there. Yes. Yes, we are in our house. Yes. I'll come with my 4 lawyers there.
Please, our friends. Please, on our side.
I
Of
know.
course.
They are on our side.
Thank you. Right. Marita,
Huh? What did you
South Africa.
Oksana, Zangwai.
Yes, Vin.
21. That's all. That's all. Don't far. What far?
Tulopezi la ikokoka. Done. Thank you.
Friends, we are going to South Africa neighbors now. We are not going to go.
You want this one for yes, we can wear it side?
Yes, yes.
Take it, God, out of the
Yes, ma'am. Ndiyamadzimai.
Let's go to South African embassy and do some little bit of shouting there. We want Mugabe.
Right.
Katilibiza umhlangano nge-Easter Saturday.
I see you.
Hawu uhleki manje.
I know.
Easter Saturday bakithi. Ngabe like lathi ke siyekhonza. Sikhulekela ilizwe.
Ngidanje khonza ngesali.
Hayi sikhonza ngeSunday but Easter anti sikhonza every day singamaroma from Friday inkonzo until Sunday.
Hey.
You allow it to go, we go together. There was a page bit there.
Right.
Let's go to the police. They want to know. Yes, these are my bodyguards. When you put me there, they will not know where I am. Because we want to go, we have got another mission. South African embassy.
We are coming.
No, they'll just stay outside. Wait.
We are coming from a country which has got a lot of human rights abuses and abductions. So we are afraid.
Angazi. Hamba neze group sithathe ukuthi. Chifamba as a group so that we take a picture. The reason you guys can't come in is because sometimes people report very sensitive things in there, just respect their privacy, burglaries and that sort of thing. So that's all. I appreciate that. So I think William said you guys were going to the South African games. Is that something?
That's the normal routine. Okay. Yeah, we end up in South Africa.
That's fine.
We don't go in like what?
Yeah.
Just get out.
Obviously, I spoke to most of you now. Okay. From the police point of view, it's very difficult when there's a sense of rushing through.
My only wish is if only Zimbabwe police would be so cooperative and understanding like you guys.
Exactly.
There is no rule of law. Otherwise, saying this in front of everybody else, God knows what will happen next.
Oh, you up in there? Why? That's not the British way. Munano Akampano. Somebody. That's the British way. You don't let him go alone. Chita ma placards ga, tukutore pa ma prison.